So the thing is, in today's AI setup or world, the model screws up a little bit, and people lose patience very easily, and that's bound to happen. It's a growing industry, and the thing is, to be early adopters, I think it's very very tough to change everyone's mindset, and that is what Flightbase is doing. They're showing a path to everyone that this is possible. We can actually really realize that 10x 100x gains. They don't just talk about it. They just don't call you and say देखो भाई मेरा सब हो गया तुम देख लो अभी. You need to do it. It's not a motivational speech. It's a look, you have to do this is how we did it. Here are 15 examples of things you can you relate to your business and you're like ये तो अभी मैं मांगूंगा तो 2-4 महीने में बनेगा, and you guys are saying 2 दिन में बन गया. And really, I mean, it's really eye opening, and I think there are not many companies, I think, in India which would possibly be doing at this level. I'd be very surprised if there are many. So I think it's a very big privilege that Flightbase team invest that much time and effort to help other startups for on their own time. They even give us food. So
I generally tend to avoid going to Gyan wale events because a lot of times I feel like I've already seen this and all of that. But here I felt like you guys are very, open about things and sharing your Slack channels, your documents. Those are like really sensitive information for a lot of people. But how openly you guys put it out for the audience and how we got to see everything. And one key takeaway I feel is that how it got everyone's brain working. Like, okay, how can we apply this at our organization? How can we push our teams to do these things that you guys are doing? So that is something was a key takeaway, and how you guys are very AI first thinking. That is something that was a key takeaway for me.
What I'm quite enthused about are some of the interesting tidbits, like how do you build knowledge for not just for humans but also for the AI to operate on. And I think that was eye opener. So I got lots of these small tidbits of how do you really operationalize the AI first operating model. And that's something that I really enjoyed. So I truly believe this is a journey, and we are just in a very nascent stage here, and there's a lot to learn. And thank you for being the trailblazer here.
It's like a great reaffirmation for myself, as I'm not from a technical background, and I used to feel that like talking about software or building any new product was like an elite thing, like a stupid person like me could not do it ever. So since like with the advent of AI and like me myself using AI tools, this was like a warm hug ki no, you are not left out. You can also build products. You can also go to a tech person and like debate like this is not good or this is the right way to do it. So yeah, I think the decentralization of technology, like anybody who just knows, has the vision, can develop products. I think this session just gave like a confirmation to that.
So before coming here, we thought maybe it will be a little more prescriptive in nature. But what we observed was, a lot of things were put out in open, which was pretty pleasantly surprising. And I think a lot of key takeaways, right? I mean, how do you reimagine, right? I mean, these are nice words. But then I think the best part was when you are actually showing things, right? I mean, there's one thing that you create a beautiful PPT through AI, and there's another thing that, hey, this is our PPT, and this is where we are showing that, okay, this is how we implemented a real demo, right? And then you are actually showing stuff and not like a demo stuff. So I think that was a key differential for me.
Last time we came to the session at Flightbase, and I went home and my dad said to me, I dragged him with me कि भाई चलो देखते हैं अपन, आप भी देखो. And he's like, यार ये Flightbase वाले बुलाते हैं, खिलाते भी हैं, चाय भी पिलाते हैं, ज्ञान भी देते हैं, कि ये कितने अच्छे लोग हैं.